So today we're gonna go ahead and make an after shower spray. The thing that I love about the after shower spray is it's really, really good at hydrating your skin. So I'm huge on using a disgusting amount of stuff to stay hydrated because I don't wanna have like dry, gross skin. It's just my thing. And this I'm absolutely in love with. So you might be like, whoa, I ain't trying to be all greasy after I get out of the shower. But the cool thing about this is we're actually using dry oils. And what I mean by that is they're oils that are like when you put them on, they're not greasy. They're dry to the touch. Like they're gonna leave you feeling soft without the greasy feeling. It's not like we're like slathering like olive oil on us or something. Another cool thing about this body spray is I put BTMS 50 in there. Now I did that because I really wanted it to create almost like a lotion. So when you get out of the shower and after you dry off, there's just a little bit of water left on your skin, and putting this on, when you rub it in, it's almost gonna turn into like a lotion on your skin. Just to forewarn you, the BTMS 50 does have a little bit of a smell, and you might be concerned that that's going to carry through into the finished product, but it doesn't at all. We're using it at such a low percent. I think I'm using like 5% in here, so it's not going to carry through. Now, if we were using it at like 15%, I'd be a little bit more concerned, like, your spray might smell kind of weird, but at 5%, you really don't have anything to worry about. And I really wanted to use the BTMS 50 because the way that it makes your skin feel, it's like silky smooth to the touch, and you'll just have to try it. It feels absolutely amazing on your skin. Without further ado, let's just dive in and make our shower spray. So for this body spray, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab some MCT oil, some sapphire oil, BTMS 50, and then a fragrance oil. Now the fragrance oil that I'm using is called Smell the Rainbow, and it smells really good, and it kind of has a cute name. So I'm kind of liking this fragrance oil. So go ahead and put both of your oils into a heat safe container. And then to our oils, we're gonna go ahead and add our BTMS 50. So normally I would go ahead and put this in a double boiler, but I'm kind of feeling lazy today. The BTMS 50 is, I don't know, sometimes I feel like it can be kind of difficult to melt in here. So I'm just gonna pop it in the microwave. That way I'll have it all melted in like 30, 45 seconds. So if you put it in the microwave, just make sure you keep an eye on it. It doesn't take very long to melt this. I went ahead and I pulled this out of the microwave. As you can see, all of the BTMS 50 has went ahead and melted in here. The only thing about doing this in the microwave is this is really, really hot right now. So I don't want to put the fragrance oil. It's just too hot to put it in there. So I'm going to allow this to cool for a little bit before we add the fragrance oil, and then we can do that and get it into a bottle. Now that this is cooled off, I'm going to go ahead and add our fragrance oil. And I'm adding Smell the Rainbow fragrance oil. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pop this in here. And then we have a spray top for it. And there is your finished shower spray. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy making your own. Bye.